Hey, HeRam, boy. Well, I've been listening to you guys, Ratchet John, forever, trying to break channel. All right, have a good one, HeRam. Mr. 1203-808 in the Mobile, just listening.
Sorry, I missed it. I heard you came back to behind and break. Hey, let me slide up to the side and let Delta 12, the little Panda girl, put the friendly fire.
All right, we'll stand by. All right, Delta 12, man, I heard you in there real quick. People keying up. All right, Delta 12, have a good weekend. HeRam, Mr. 1203, real good to put it on you. Maybe I'll see you next year at Lapa Hoi Hoi. HeRam at Delta 12, 808 in the Rockies. All right, Delta 12, I heard you there, man. Good, put it on you. Put a grain on my chin. Delta 12, 808 on the side.
Good weekend. Be safe out there. And you know, find time we take care. We'll put the farmers right away. We are on the side.
All right, HeRam, yeah, blessings around your household. Have a great weekend. HeRam, 808 in the Rockies.
Don't shoot, skip out. Okay, yeah, I know him up. He said with Ratchet Joy, he's trying to break in for a long time, but okay. Roger that, okay. Mr. Man, we'll let you go. Bottom line out there. Shout out there. So we will let you and I gotta go too, man. We are big radio. Alright, take care. HeRam, we're gonna have one more time for the fine family. Mr. Miyagi, you two go shopping there. We're going on.
I'll see you, HeRam. Bump. We're still neighbor talking. I'll see you.
Okay, Roger, how you copy the station? How you copy the station out there? Just IMAX 18 feet off the ground there was strike off 497 with plug-in 6 kill there, Roger?
Yeah, I got you 5 to 6. I'll go post them on YouTube. You can go listen to what you sound like there, Mr. HeRam.
Okay, Roger, you said you're gonna post it on your website?
Yeah, on the YouTube. I'll also do it on the 808 Breaker site too. Get you guys ratchet jawing, caught you guys ratchet jawing. 10-4.
Yeah, okay, so Eagle Radio. Okay, I'm gonna check them out there. Okay, we'll back them on out and back them on down there. We wave the hand and thanks a lot then. Have a good day.
Bump up. I'll see you, HeRam. Real good contact. We're 10-7. I'll see you, Delta 12 too. Aloha.
Okay, so we want to echo there. Is there some, I like to have them right on the tail end. Is that echo okay?
Yeah, echo sounds good. And we're going to go 10-7. We got to go hit the road. We don't want to be filming and talking, but I'll grab the mic once I get going there. 10-4.